Got it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Come on, Jackson.
Nice job.
Well done.
There.
Yeah.
Oh.
Come on.
Come on.
It's okay.
Take your time.
Yeah, I had to do that too.
You're doing better
okay,
than
man.
That's it.
Okay.
You're okay. This part's easy. No matter what, nothing's going to happen.
Whoa. Nice job. There we go.
You're not going to fall. We wouldn't let you up there if you were going to.
Good job, man. Keep going.
Great. Breathe. Do me a favor. Breathe.
Keep
Through your
going.
nose.
Yeah.
Out your
Yeah.
mouth.
Breathing's good.
Through your nose. Out your mouth.
It's okay, man. You got this. You never
Gotta get the rope first.
Lean
All right,
your
so-
body forward,
Yeah, lean out over the cables.
and then your feet will follow.
Hold on to this.
You're all right.
Got this. Just go ahead. Keep going forward.
Keep going, man.
You're good.
Come on, come on. It's not going
You got
anywhere.
it.
You're fine.
You got this. Take a deep breath. Deep breath. Let it out slow.
Back leg forward onto the other wood.
Deep breath. Let it out slow.
There you go.
Yeah! Woo!
Yeah, Jackson.
Keep going, man. Keep going.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about, Jackson.
See, the rest is easy.